Today, I'm going to be putting hair on The Rock. What's going on YouTube? Steven, the Salon Guy here, and I'm back with another haircut makeover series. And we all know and love Dwayne Johnson, The Rock, and he's got that awesome shaved head. And I figured it would be pretty cool to see what he looks like with a hairstyle that I feel would look great on him. So as you see in these photos, I mean, he needs no introduction. He's got that awesome shaved head, and believe it or not, having a shaved head is very high maintenance. Take it from me, I mean, because you're shaving it every couple days, so it's very, very high maintenance, but he looks great with it. He has had hair, obviously, in the past, even in some of the movies he's done, from ponytail to when he was wrestling, he kind of had a little bit of like a faux hawk type thing going on. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a haircut on The Rock that I think will look great at him, so let's get into it. All right, so what I've done is I've taken a mannequin that I've cut in the past, and I figured it's pretty much a haircut I would do on him. I just want to show you how I would style it and then see how it looks on him. So let's go through the blow dry process, and then we'll come back and put The Rock's face on this mannequin. Ladies and gentlemen, here is the brand new haircut for The Rock. All right, what do you think? So let's break down kind of what this haircut is. Basically, I faded it up from the sides with like a #1 guard, working all the way up and fading it to about the corners of the hair on both sides. So it is pretty much like a one fading up to where the top is about, I'd say, an inch to 1.5 inches, and the longest point is probably in the very front to where that's about 2 inches the most. And what I want to do, and I think what looked good on him, is kind of add a little bit of width in through here to kind of balance out his head shape. He's a huge guy, but he's got that small head, so I wanted to add a little width to it to kind of balance it out, create some more roundness in through here. And I think this hairstyle will look great on him. You can add a little bit of texture to it. I blow dried it. The key to getting this hair up in the front is literally by using the blow dryer and letting the air kind of blow this hair up and then locking it in with product. So I went with pregame, styled it up, and here we have the finished result. Well, there you have it, YouTube. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell so you're notified of when my videos go live, and let me know if you're loving this series. Let's try to get this out to The Rock. Let's try to get this out to everybody so they can see, because I'm really enjoying doing this. And leave your comments below and your requests. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time for more videos with The Salon Guy.